my daddy and mommy. We need to go to help. My mommy is here to help. And today I'm going to make a cake. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. I'm so excited. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. I'm going to make a cake. Now let's make a cake. First ingredient. We need some curd, flour, oil, baking powder and baking soda and some sugar. Add a cup of curd and add a cup of sugar. We have to mix it up till it gets shiny. Mix it up. Mix it well. We have to mix it well till it gets shiny. I love baking cakes, guys, and I love eating them. I love to mix them. The great part I love. And putting ingredients in, mixing up. Guys, it's all done. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift it. Guys, we are making a 1 kg cake. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix it well. Guys, bubbles are started to come. Let it aside for 5 minutes. Add oil, mix it only for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Sift the flour and add it. We have already sifted it. I'm adding some more flour. Mix it up. Wow! It started to be very hard to mix it up, guys. It started to be solid. Like dough. Look! It started to be like mashed bananas. I love making cakes, guys. You know I love to make cakes daily. Mix it, mix. Add some vanilla essence for the flavor. Mix it up. Add the batter to the baking tray. Guys, preheat the oven to 160. Now we are going to keep it in the oven. Guys, it's my first cake. I don't know how it's going to come. Wait for 25 minutes. Let's wait. I will talk to you guys. This is my little brother. Guys, I guess the cake is ready. I hope so. It will be very nice to taste it. I like it. Yummy. My daddy will love it. Yes, I can taste 1 piece now. Super ಆಗಿದೆ. tasty. I'm gonna go piece. Guys, let's decorate it with the plastic flowers because my daddy don't like creamed cakes. I got one piece. I love it. Guys, how was it? Guys, let's give, when we give it like this, let's give it like this. Daddy, have it. I love you. And it's, my daddy will so love it. How do you like my dress? It's nice? Okay, thank you for watching Andrea's vlog. Thank you. Like my videos, subscribe my button. Thank you.